Welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create an app, how to create a game. So in this particular video, I'm going to guide you on how to create a quiz game. Okay, so first of all, I need to play the screen record of the game. So simple. You're going to learn how to do this. Originally, if you take your time to create this, then you have an opportunity to make money from this app, because this is actually your game originally, because it's not someone's game. I'm going to guide you. You'll be able to create this game with your mobile phone or with your PC. So okay, this is the video. You can come into AppCreator24. If you don't have an account, you just need to register an account on this website, or you can log in with your Gmail account. You will get access to this website, and you will see the button below. If you just created an account, you will see this button create app up on the top header here. So this is where you see create. So here, because I have multi games and apps, so that is why it's showing it here. So here you click create. Okay, so okay, I have already created, so I'm just still showing you how to go about it. So you put the app name and then the app logo and the description. You click next. It will take you to this place, because I actually it will take you to this page. Okay, this is it, football quiz game. So that is the one I want to guide you. So once you go, you put the name, the app name, the description, the logo, you will get to this place. Once you are here, just go to section and you click on create a new section, and this is what I have created, so there is no point of creating another one. So once you put in the section, you click on create a new section, you will get to this place, and here you put the name of the section. So the section is still the same, the name of the app, so I put the same thing here. You don't need to put description because it's a section. When you put description here on the game where I show you here, you will see description will show below the game here. So we don't need description, we just need only the layout of the game. So that is how it's done. Leave this blank, don't upload anything from here. So you go here, you do some settings. This one is saying restore score on each question. No. You can see finish on running out of score. No. No running of, out of score. So your score will still be your score. So here, the time counting, if you see here, you see time is counting. So this is the where you put it, it's 30 seconds, and which you can see is the same 30 second here. So you do all these changes, and here you can see resume always. So all the settings based on you. Here if you leave it blank, the app will give a sound for you. But if you need, this is the example where you can copy any of your sound. That is a mp3 sound, where it has mp3 sound url, so you put it here. So for me, I just leave it the way it is, and it has good sound as well. So here you can see show questions randomly. Yes, show all. So all the questions will be random. So this is the how I created the questions that you're seeing here. So that is what I'm showing you. Stay tuned to the end so that you won't miss any part of the video. Okay, so here you click. Okay, because I have already created, but I will still guide you on that as well. So this is how it works. Once you click on the Okay, let me go back. Let me the same section. That is the only place you always go, because under the section you have access to add more questions on the game. So you can see create here, doesn't matter, you can click anyone, it's going to hop like this. So the second thing I did, because you may be wondering how will you be doing the same what I did here. So the second option was for me to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to this is the prompt I use. You can use your own style to create your own unique game. So what I asked was, I want to create a quiz game for football quiz game. Write 50 questions and answers, and this is all the answers. So you need to always check if the answers are correct. Okay, so here uh, I copy this. Okay, I think I have done this already. So okay, I have done this as well. So here you can see which country has won most World Cup. So here I copied and I go in here, because this is actually going to take your time, and this is the best way you can make your money, because this game is going to be fantastic and this game is going to be legit, because no one will have the same game if you went by creating the questions by yourself. But if you're using other platforms, that's why some of you may have rejections in terms of hard move and other hard format, because you're not using original game. You just copy and you want to make money, so you need to work hard. So I'm not guaranteeing you that you can copy any style and you make money quick. You need to work hard, so which all of us knows, and sometimes we don't want to work hard. So as you can see, this is the question, and here you can select any of this. Okay, anywhere you can put the question, the answer, or anywhere. So the answer, I want to put it here, so you can select here. By if you select here, means this is the correct answer. So here you can type other country's name. Okay, like okay, England, you can see it's coming up. Okay, okay, the next one, uh, type France, you can see it's coming by itself, because I have saved it. Okay, no problem, let me still go and edit. Okay, okay, it's here, so you can still edit any question that is you feel is not correct. So okay, and here I put Nigeria. So okay, so with that, this question number 5 is good, and we save changes. Now this is how to add the questions and answers on the app. So simple. You go ahead and do that for the all questions you want to add on the app. And second thing you can make money with this app is that you can, each of the next question coming, you can add if you place the hard, if you're using hard map example, when you put the code, you can still come here and do some settings, and these settings will help you to get more revenue, because it's going to, once the user answer the first question, here this is where you can do the settings. Under the same section, you go down below, you will see, sometimes you may not see it, and you can see where it says advanced settings. Sometimes it will be close up, so if you want to do those settings, you can come here after you have put in your code, or before you put in, is the same thing, because you're going to do the same thing before you upload it to any app store. So once you click here, you can follow it gently based on how you want it, because once the user answer the question, the next question will ask that the user should watch ads on the app. So, and if the user want to still continue, he have to watch the ads, and you see the game will continue. So here you can see request require watch video to access. So if you have video art format in the app, so you can click yes. And at the same time, if you created a very good game where you know that it's people are very interested, so you can also create another section for payment. That is that particular place, people can users can access it by paying some money to you. So that one you can come in here and say yes, and then you put the description, and then you put the keywords, and you continue. It's going to pay access, yes. So you put in the description. Okay, I think there's where you should be able to put your, because the access is with PayPal, so it's going to ask you to put your PayPal. So that is how to create this game. If you love this video, please kindly give a thumbs up. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. Anything that you don't understand, feel free to ask. I'm here to guide you, to help you out in your journey. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.